All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start our loudest exhaust competition. Up first, who we got? Aaron, Eric, Oregon Inc. Eric, represent Oregon Inc. first. How many seconds you get? 10 seconds, 15 seconds? 15 seconds. 10 seconds. All right, let me get my clock. Hold on. Wait. All right. Ready? Ready, Eric? Go! Time! Give Eric a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Eric, a round of applause, please. Next up.
This shot right here.
And can we get Bruce Porter off the grass, please? Bruce Porter, can you please get off the grass?
Ladies and gentlemen, who we got next? Damien?
Hey, Bruce, where you at, dog? Report to DJ Booth. Come see DJ Iron Man. Come see DJ Iron Man. I need to meet this dude. Oh, Facebook, oh, keyboard warrior over here. I need to meet this man. Philly over here on the East Coast.
You ready, Fabian? All right, go. Time. Ladies and gentlemen, give Fabian a round of applause, please. Round of applause. Next up. Who we got? Are you?
Josh Jones, Killer Caprice.
Car number.
18.
Killer Caprice. Go. Time. Give Killer Caprice a round of applause. Make some noise. I can't say that. Next up. Oh, he got his foot out the window. He about to embarrass somebody, huh? That's what that means?
Patrick, number 71. Patrick, 71.
Matthew? Number 71 is his car number. 10 seconds on my time. Ready? Go! Give a round of applause, Patrick, from AZ, smoking it up. Uh-oh. Wowzers.
Ain't no burnouts, ladies and gentlemen. No burnouts in the grass.
Uh-oh. Get a couple people to help him out, please. Get a couple people help him out, please. Get him off the grass, please. Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral, sir. Foot off the brake, please. Thank you.
Hey, don't even judge, ladies and gentlemen. You guys act like you guys never been on the side of the road with these goddamn B.Bodies. Y'all know this shit. Y'all been on the side of the road with these goddamn B.Bodies. I know I have. Hey, Ink Madness number 5, my ass was on the side of the road by Pomona, broke down straight up. Broke down, straight up, ball joint, went everything. Y'all already know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Shawn Dooley. 32, car number 32, Shawn Dooley, Sin City SS. You ready, Shawn? Thumbs up, here we go, 10 seconds. Go! Time, ladies and gentlemen, time. Give it up for Shawn, Sin City SS.
Come on, Shawn, baby, you got that carburetor on it. Pump the gas, baby. Let's go. You sound like, yeah, you got the rep limiter on or something. J Money.
We got Jay on it.
12. One wide.
Car number 12.
One wide.
Uh-oh. Don't drop the mic, cuz.
One wide.
On my time. Hold on. Here we go. You ready, Jay? All right, here we go. Go. Whoa. Wait, shoot. Time. Give it up for Jay, Sin City SS. I shoot back, Jay. I got my gun ready. All right, who we got next? Oh, Mr. Junior. Same name with the J-Ara.
Junior, Sin City SS in the building. LA
Car number
Swap.
6.
LA Swap Wagon, let's go.
On my time, you ready, Junior? Thumbs up, Junior, when you're ready. All right, here we go. My time, go. Time. Give it up for Junior, ladies and gentlemen. Sin City SS.
Hey, JR, man, you gonna make us pass out here for that carbon, all that goddamn exhaust coming out here.
SoCal Inc. in the building.
No. ATL.
Oh, it's ATL, cuz I can't
That's
see. Hey, my
that's
eyes is bad, man. My bad.
ATL in the building. Atlanta all the way out here. Atlanta representing.
Car number 57. Thumbs up when you're ready, sir. Uh-oh, he gave me one. Give him the finger. Hold on. All right, Izzy, thanks. Appreciate it. Atlanta Inc. Got it, buddy. Thanks. All right, on my time. You ready, sir? Thumbs up, please. All right, here we go. Yo, go. Time. Give it up.
Give it up. ATL in the building, ladies and gentlemen.
Shout.
He drove this thing. Hey, he drove this wagon all the way from Atlanta. All the way from, give him a round of applause. This is just a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Driving it, baby. Drive the thing. Yeah. We love that. We like to see that thing. Driving God. If you ain't driving your whip, what's the point, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, Sid. They call him Kid.
SS Kid in the building.
Thumbs up, sir. Here we go.
Sin City SS.
79.
Number 79.
On you.
Thumbs up, Kid. Go. Time. Give it up for Sid, Kid.
Sid the Kid, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. SS Kid, Sin City SS.
Already.
All right, we got one more. Do it right there.
We got uno más.
One more. Where you at?
Oh no, my Spanish is messed up. How you say one more in Spanish?
Uno.
más.
Hey.
Uno más.
Hey, T. Come on. Hey, uno, dos, that shit, tato. Whoa.
Tatiana. Oh wow.
Darren, ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Let's give it up for Darren, all the way from Canada.
He came to Jake. He know Drake.
Hey, get this. He's a little low on gas.
Time.
God damn! Give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.